Welcome to Avengers Campus, Hawkeye. We're glad you finally arrived.
Hey, Friday. Thanks for welcoming me. Very frustrating. What? Started to pop himself, huh?
Dying, Mr. Stark.
Oh, well, that's not necessary.
What is it, Friday? Little busy here.
I have Hawkeye on column 1.
Clint, sorry we're not all there to welcome you. We're into a little situation, but we'll be there shortly. Make yourself at home. Have some eggnog, giant pretzel, whatever you want. It's on me.
Well, put it that way.
Intrusion alarm. Level 2 and 3. Unknown entities.
Hey, Hawk! Guy.
Sup, bro?
Hey, bro.
Looks like the men's meeting started.
Yeah, you're gonna be messing eating these spaces. What?
Just get in. Don't worry. I've got this.
Holiday playlist initiated. Season's greetings.
But I can. Clint, you need some help? The music wasn't that much. Just trying to spread some Christmas cheer. You good? I know what I'm doing. And what exactly are you doing? Just getting my jingle bell rung over here. Oh, no. You might want to leave it, Scott. Yeah, sorry. Hey, Friday, fire up the Christmas music again.
Initiating holiday playlist.
You ready? After you. Well, this looks really bad. Might make the naughty list again this year. But might have ruined the campus Christmas party. Bro, I think we did, bro.